What a beautiful boy. God took his time when he made Tyrese. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And today I want to show you how I make my own body butter. This stuff is amazing. It's 100% natural and it's really easy and simple to make. And it's so hydrating and moisturizing, and it's especially good if you suffer from dry skin conditions, which my son used to. He used to suffer from eczema, and this really helped clear it up. And it's like a multi-purpose body butter as well, because you can use it like for so many different things. Like I'm currently wearing it as a lip balm right now, and you can also use it like, see if you suffer from like dry cracked heels on your feet. Heels are on your feet anyway, so yeah. If you suffer from dry cracked heels, this is so good for that. Anyway guys, I could go on and on, so let's just get into the video, and I really hope you find it useful. And if you do, please like, comment or subscribe. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Yeah, thank you. So I use organic shea butter, which I'm just going to melt, and I'm going to link it in the description box below. And I'm just showing you how I melt it. I'm going to put it into a little bowl to save me having to wash the pan. If you're planning to melt a lot at once, you can just add it straight to the pot, as that's what I usually do if I'm melting a lot. But I just wanted to show you how I melt a little bit. I use this all over my body and it leaves my skin glowing. So I'm just waiting for it to completely melt, and then once it's completely melted, I just put it into the fridge. Once it's solid, I just take a spoon and I kind of like whip it, and it's like it becomes really smooth, and then that's it. You can just add it into your glass jar or container, and that's it. You're ready to smooth it onto your skin and have beautiful hydrated skin. I also use this as a lip balm as well, so that's why I've got a little mini container that I added it to.